upon a time, there was a girl named Rapunzel who was just right. Unfortunately, bullies were jealous of her good grades. They did some cruel things, and before long, Rapunzel didn't feel just right anymore. But what if Rapunzel's story had a different ending? Suppose someone came to help. She could have told the bullies, "This is my friend, you need to stop." When the bullies saw that Rapunzel had support, there's a good chance they would have left her alone. Her friends could have helped her live happily ever after. If you see a bully coming after someone, don't let her get away with it. Step in and tell that bully to stop. You might just give someone a happy ending. Now it's time to turn BB Wolfe into someone else he's bullied so he can learn a lesson. On the count of 3, say his name to help with the magic. 1, 2, 3. BB Wolfe!